Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can find good deals in Google Flights. So once you are here, you just want to put in your destination and where you're coming from. So for example, we want to do Manila to Cebu. There you go. And for example, this is going to be the flight. So these are the top departing flights, and you really don't need to find cheap deals because it's going to find it for you, as you can see here. But you gotta be mindful because, as you can see, this turning wheel here, this is actively looking for a flight. So as you can see here, cheapest from 225 2528, right? So click on this one, right, and it's gonna find you this, right? So click on this flight and just go through the same process as to booking other flights. But then, like what I said, going back to look for the cheapest flights is you need to look at this one and click on this, right? And you need to refresh you and click on this specific tab here to find the best deals. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.